Alright then, I'm riding solo from Guwahati to Shillong, which is basically just me, my bike, and whatever the hills decide to throw at me today. A lot of people ask me, aren't you scared to ride alone? Honestly, no. And yes, not in a big dramatic way, but there is always a little bit of fear sitting quietly in the first few kilometers, especially when I hit the open roads. When you're solo, there's no one to follow, no one to ask, bro, where do we turn? It's just you, your bike, and your overthinking brain trying to imagine every possible problem. But that's actually where the magic starts. I'm not riding without fear, I'm riding with a fear, and I'm still choosing to move forward. I am mentally prepared for small surprises such as sudden rain, a wrong turn, a slow truck, a bad patch of road. I don't want them, but I'm ready for them. That's why I can be scared and still be calm at the same time. Slowly, that fear turns into freedom. Your brain realizes, okay, we can handle this. You control the speed, the music in your helmet, the tea breaks, the pauses, the silence, everything. Riding solo is like having a long conversation with yourself and realizing you're not that bad to hang out with, especially when you see how you handle things on your own. I've just crossed Nongpoh and stopped at an Indian oil petrol pump for a quick tea. This is one of my favorite parts of any solo ride. When you're alone, these stops become your checkpoints. I stretch, drink some water, sip my tea, check the bike, check the sky, and now I'm feeling good. There's no pressure to hurry because someone else is waiting. If my body says stop, I stop. If my mind says tea, I definitely stop too. Okay, let's talk about preparation because that's how you ride solo without being constantly scared. Before leaving Guwahati, I checked the tire pressure, chain, lights, brakes, fuel. I packed basic tools, some snacks, water, and a bit of emergency cash. And oh, I conveniently did not pack my rain layers as I wanted to travel light and there is still time for monsoons to hit. I also shared my rough route and timings with my parents at home. It is simple stuff, but it makes a huge difference. Instead of imagining every worst case scenario, you know you have done your part. You don't remove fear completely, but you turn it into respect. As I climb higher, the scenery starts changing. It's late February, so the hills still look a bit dry and bare, almost like a winter hangover. No dramatic greens yet, just a quiet brownish landscape. But that matches the solo ride perfectly. And there it is, Umiam Lake, or as Assamese people call it, Barapani. No matter how many times I ride through this route, the first glimpse of the water feels special. I always slow down here just to soak in for a moment. It feels like the official welcome gate to Shillong. From here on, I am taking the left through the ISBT route towards Laitlum canyons instead of diving into the main city traffic. That's the beauty of riding solo. You don't need to vote on the road. You simply take the road that feels right to you. As I get closer to Smith, the sky suddenly changes mood. Dark clouds roll in and the rain starts falling. On a solo ride, this is where some people start to panic. But the trick is to work with the weather, not fight it. I pull over, find a small place to take shelter, and decide it is the perfect time to have lunch. So I ordered some chicken fried rice. When you're wet and hungry, everything tastes like a 5-star meal. After lunch, I check on the weather outside and it is still raining cats and dogs. So I ordered a hot cup of black tea. While my tea arrived, I met a local lad. His name was Brian. We started talking about bikes, rides, travel and tourism, and how it brings money and opportunities to the local but also changes the place slowly. And that's when I remember one of the best parts of solo riding. You might start slow, you might start alone, but the road keeps introducing you to new people, new stories and new perspectives. If you have been wanting to try a solo ride but fear holds you back, here's my advice. Don't start with a huge distance. Start with a short ride. Prepare your bike. Prepare yourself. Share your plan with someone you trust. Ride at your own pace and be okay with stopping whenever you need to. You don't have to be fearless to ride solo. You just have to be willing to respect the fear and still move forward. This video ends here, and in the next one, we'll ride from my homestay to the Laitlum canyons and back. So watch out for the episode dropping next week. If this Guwahati to Shillong solo story inspired you even a little bit, hit like, share it with a friend who keeps saying, one day I'll ride alone, and subscribe for more rides from the Northeast. Tell me in the comments where would your first solo ride be, or you could even tell me your first solo ride experience that was. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.